Today, I'll walk you through how to use Notion AI to save hours every week, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to leverage Notion AI to streamline your tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's start by opening your Notion page. If you're not familiar with Notion, think of it as a digital workspace that combines notes, tasks, and databases all in one place. You can find your Notion page by navigating to the application or website. Next, we'll use one of my projects as a sample. This will give you a practical example of how to implement Notion AI in your workflow. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Now locate the Notion AI button on the bottom right-hand part of your screen. This button is your gateway to harnessing the power of AI within Notion. Click on it to get started. Once you click the Notion AI button, type your request in the dialog box that appears. Be patient as the AI processes your request. It's like waiting for a friend to come up with a solution. It may take a moment, but the results will be worth it. You can utilize the AI chat for your commands, which will help you modify or formulate your tables faster and easier compared to doing it manually. Imagine having a personal assistant who can handle repetitive tasks for you. That's the power of Notion AI. For instance, let's ask the AI to add a column for status in our project database. This simple command can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your projects. Remember, you can utilize Notion AI to make everything within Notion much easier. With the correct commands, you will get the results you expect, transforming your productivity. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.